So I'm creating a Nextjs 13 project, and I'm just going to create it on my desktop. So npx create next app, and then set timeout, I'll say example. And I'm going to say no to all of these options here, and then I'll just hit enter for import alias. Then I'm just going to drag and drop the folder into Visual Studio Code, and I will begin modifying the code now. And first thing I'm going to do is here in the pages index.js, I'm just going to delete everything in between the main right here. And I'm just going to delete this inter part. And here I'm going to actually create another page because I'll create multiple examples, but this one's just going to be example 1. So I'll say setTimeout1.js. And then I'll just set up the default template. And right over here, I think I will go into index.js and I will link it now. Say set timeout 1, and I will say href is equal to set timeout 1. So then I can navigate to that page, and I have to import the link at the top. Now, what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be setting up a set timer here, and what I'm just going to do is right here, I'll just say this is set timeout 1, and I'm just going to do this in a console log so I could show you what it looks like. And I'll set the set timeout, and I'll say every 3 seconds, so 3000, it will send a message to the console.log saying, "Hi there." And I do need to make sure that, okay, that's all I have to do actually. I just have to save that, and I'm just going to, I'll set up another link right here. I'll navigate back to home. And I'll just import link at the top. Save it. And I will run this in the terminal. And I'll go to localhost 3001. And right over here we should have set timeout 1 at localhost 3001. If I click on it, we'll see set timeout 1. This will navigate back home. Then I can go back to set timeout 1, and I will inspect this page. And if I go to console, we should see "Hi there" shows up. So if I refresh the page, you can see this eventually pops up. So we set it to 3 seconds. So if we just count when we refresh, 1, 2, 3, there we go. So we got this set timer that will pop up after 3 seconds in the console.